Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, the Belarusian TV channel has released a report on UST transport. The President of Belarus mentioned string transport during a meeting on the development of transport infrastructure. UST Incorporated was visited by representatives of the National Academy of Sciences of Belarus. Let us not waste time and get straight to the first event. Correspondents of RTR Belarus TV channel visited the demonstration and testing center Eco-Technopark in Mariina Gorka. The result of the visit was a story about UST transportation in the Accents program. The guests were shown the implemented models of unimobiles and other components of transport and infrastructure complexes, told about the possibilities and advantages of UST technology for establishing high-speed passenger transportation. The visitors noted that transport looks as if from the future, but is already a real and working high-speed solution. The President of Belarus, Alexander Lukashenko, has heard a report on the development of the network of Republican highways and formation of transport infrastructure informed Belta news agency. One of the topics of the meeting was the development of transport communication between Minsk and its satellite cities. During the discussion of this issue, the head of state mentioned string transport. The head of state outlined the relevance of building faster sections independent of motorways. In addition, the president noted that it would not require a lot of time or a lot of money. The company continues to establish contacts with organizations from the scientific and educational field. Employees and master's students of the University of National Academy of Sciences visited the Eco-Technopark, as well as the company's production complex, where they got acquainted with the developments of UST Incorporated. The visit to the company's facilities took place as part of an off-site training session at the university. During the sightseeing tour, representatives of the delegation made test drives on unimobiles, personally making sure of the safety and convenience of the complexes of UST Incorporated, and found out what the uniqueness of the company's developments is. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you soon.